everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm Chef Ange, welcome to my kitchen. On today's episode, I want to show you some baked sweet potato fries. Sweet potato fries are a great alternative to regular French fries. These are baked in the oven, so they're a little healthier than the deep fried version. I'm also going to show you how to make a really nice dipping sauce, and the dipping sauce is big on flavor, and it's also on the healthier side. So healthy sweet potato fries, nice dipping sauce. This is a wonderful thing if you're trying to eat a little cleaner. But before I get into this recipe, check the description box below for the full ingredient list and directions. While you're down there, subscribe to my channel and put the notification bell on so you can find out when I drop new recipe and tip videos. Let's get cooking.
So the first step to getting these sweet potato fries going is to get something that looks like a fry. So I'm going to cut the ends off these rounder, fatter sweet potatoes, and I try to stay away from like the long, skinny ones. They just don't do well for fries. And we're going to take the skin off, and then we're going to cut them into little discs. And I'm trying to keep them probably a little less than an inch, and then I'm going to take each of those discs and cut them down into fries. Now we're going to soak those in some water just to pull off any excess starch. Once those have soaked for about 10 or 15 minutes, we're going to dry them off, and we're going to start to season them with some olive oil, some of my base seasoning, which is a blend of garlic powder, onion powder, salt, and pepper, and you can find that in the description box, a little smoked paprika, and some baking powder to help crisp up the outside. So now we're going to take this baking tray with a raised grate on top of it, and we're going to line these up nice and evenly with space in between each fry. These are going to go in a 385-degree convection oven for about 20 to 25 minutes. While those are in there for the first round, we're going to make a little dipping sauce. I love making dipping sauces with a Greek yogurt base because it's a little lighter, it's high in protein, and if we're making sweet potato fries, you probably want to eat healthier, so let's make that dipping sauce a little healthier. So we're going to put some ketchup, some apple cider vinegar, a little bit of hot sauce, some Dijon mustard, and a little smoked paprika. And this is going to be brought all together by a little salt, and then I'm going to whisk it up. I wanted it just a little bit redder, so I put in a little bit more ketchup and a little bit more smoked paprika. Now it looks and tastes just like I want to. We're going to throw this in the fridge and let those flavors come together while we take care of our fries. So after about 20 to 25 minutes, they're a little cooked, so we're going to take our time and flip each one individually, trying not to mush the fries. They might be a little mushy at this point. But now, after another 20 to 25 minutes in the oven, they are beautifully crispy. We're going to let those cool on the side while we set up our plate, so a little dipping sauce, and then we'll use a spatula to transfer these over, a little pop of some green stuff on top, and look how amazing these fries look.
And now, just like that, we got sweet potato fries. They're pretty healthy. I mean, they're baked, so they're not deep fried, so at least you're cutting out a lot of oil. But we're not skimping out on the crisp. I mean, like, if you look at this fry, I mean, it's pretty stiff. It's not soggy, and that's just from the baking powder on the outside, and also just letting them cool a little bit before I handle, because as they cool, the outside crusts a little bit. So let's give, actually, I think it's a mistake to just dunk one of these. We're going to go two at a time. So we're going to go 2 fries, give it a nice dunk in our sauce. Again, I'm eating these all alone, so I'm going for that double dip. Wow. You know, when we're making something that's healthier, you always want to figure out, am I missing the unhealthy part? So, like, am I missing that these aren't deep fried? Nope. These are yummy and wonderful. Wow. Well, I'm Chef Ange. These are my baked sweet potato fries. If you did like this video, don't forget to click the like button. If you haven't already, subscribe to my channel so you can find out when I drop new recipe and tip videos. I'll see you on the next video. Thanks for watching.